the way you're looking from a third person, your breathing, your arms, and your feet. And I wonder if that was all of them, or did we miss any out, or add any in? I wonder if you could now add an eighth thing into all of this.
We're going to parallel park with the car here.
Okay. I'm supposed to get kind of close. Enough to...
Let's see how you do.
Okay.
I wonder if your mind is powerful enough to think of 7 plus 1 things, adding in perhaps an awareness of the air temperature around you. And now we're going to add another thing in, so there'll be 9 things all at once. That's 7 plus 2. Thinking about all those 8 inputs. And let's add a 9th. And let's make that an awareness of the way your eyes feel while you're thinking about all these other things.
Oops.
That's not great.
Okay, so we'll go and do another one, and I'll walk you through it.
Okay.
We'll just go let's go up to the stop sign there. We'll make a right turn over there.
The weight of your head, your breathing, the music in the background, how you look from a third person perspective.
It's just one thing that you missed. I'll go through it with you. We'll make a right here.
The temperature of the room, the weight of your feet.
Easy fix. We'll turn right.
The weight of your arms, the sound of my voice, how your eyes feel, the weight of your head, your breathing, the music in the background.
Okay, so we'll use this first car. So signal right and slow it down. You want to leave an arm's length of space. Check your mirror a little bit closer. Mirror to mirrors when you stop.
Okay.
This is the right amount of space you have here. So when I put my arm out the window, it's just barely almost that's good. That's really good. So mirror to mirror just prevents you from stopping too far ahead.
Yeah, and you said brake light is framed in the...
You see it there? Okay, right on. And into reverse. And then one spin of the wheel. Then you got your 45, like right bang on last time. Here, let's do that again. Brake light.
How you look from outside, the temperature of the room, your arms, the weight of your feet, the weight of your arms, the sound of my voice, how your eyes feel,